This is Tony Makalinaw Pareño. It's been quite a while since I recorded my last video. So, because I plan to work in Manila. I have job in Manila, talent. So, I did plan to go to work for this past months. And also I took a vacation in Carigara Leyte. Carigara Leyte. Baripogon. Regards to all my friends there. All my friends. Musta na kayo? Finally, after the almost whole month vacation, I'm back and to record a few songs two original songs that I made in Sinan province. Now I have two new original songs I will record. You will see it in the next video. I'm planning to make a move in the chess. I'm making an opening or an open for white to play. I'm yeah, it's a success, but I'd like to practice it a lot. So I will cover all those probabilities that my that that my all chess players that will use this move. I call this move Juggernaut. Makita niyo makabita rin. Simply unstoppable. But it's not yet true. So I'm making it. Hopefully it will be a success. But I did defeat Chess Titans, Shredder Chess hard level Chess Titans 1, 2, 8, 9 and 10. 10 is very slow Chess Titans. But I defeated it in 9, and I chose level 8 more challenging, and he's a blitz player like me. And Chess 45 program, Chess Computer 2, I defeated it. Shredder 12 years, 12 different belts. They said it is the best chess program ever. It's more greater than Deep Blue that was defeated by Kasparov and defeated Kasparov too. Kasparov is the most numerous champion in all chess masters. The reason is last year, it was forget his name. He was from India. The reason was he's defending his crown to an Israel. So the I'm I'm planning to make this move and video it. And when I video it, I will introduce it to media to to upload it in the net, and hopefully it will pass the said requirements to be a grandmaster. Just grandmaster. I like challenges. I like to play. I like to. I'm not afraid to battle Kasparov, but the said engine, it's okay. Karpov, etc. etc. I'm not humble. I'm not mayabang. But I like players who can defeat. I love I love I like challenging chess. I repeat, Shredder, computer program Shredder, that's Chess Master program, AI Chess Master program. There's a lot of chess program that so the I'm my move that defeat them. I'm practicing a lot so that hopefully it will make another triumph for Filipinos, for 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 Philippines, for the honor of Manila Philippines, of all Filipinos surrounded, especially to my parents, friends, mga It's been Mario tayo makalinaw pa rin yung Bias Love Guys.
Bili nga ako ng